Master the word adduce for IELTS success. Imagine you're in a courtroom and the prosecutor dramatically declares, "I adduce the following evidence." This powerful verb is not just for legal dramas. It's a sophisticated word that can elevate your IELTS score to band 8.0 and beyond. Let's explore the word adduce and how you can use it effectively in your English communication. Word type. Adduce is a verb, meaning to adduce means to cite, present, or offer something as evidence, proof, or justification for an argument or a statement. It's often used in formal or academic contexts when providing support for a claim or theory. Word history. The word adduce has its roots in Latin. It comes from the Latin word adducere, which means to lead to or to bring forward. This Latin term is composed of ad, meaning to, and ducer, meaning to lead. The word entered the English language in the early 17th century, retaining its essence of bringing forth or presenting evidence. Antonyms. Some antonyms for adduce include withhold, conceal, suppress, and refute. Synonyms. Synonyms for adduce include cite, present, offer, put forward, advance, propose, and submit. Examples used in sentences. Let's look at some ways to use adduce in sentences. The researcher adduced several studies to support her hypothesis on climate change. In his defense, the politician adduced statistics showing the positive impact of his policies. The art expert adduced stylistic similarities to prove that the painting was indeed a lost Rembrandt. Can you adduce any evidence to back up your claim about the company's financial irregularities? The philosopher adduced logical arguments to challenge the prevailing theory of consciousness. Common errors in use. When using adduce, be careful to avoid these common mistakes. First, don't confuse adduce with deduce. While adduce means to present or offer evidence, deduce means to arrive at a conclusion through reasoning. Second, adduce is typically used with concrete evidence or arguments, not with vague or abstract concepts. For instance, you wouldn't say, "I adduce my feelings about the matter." Lastly, remember that adduce is a transitive verb, meaning it requires a direct object. You always adduce something, evidence, arguments, facts, or examples. To wrap up, mastering words like adduce can significantly enhance your IELTS performance, particularly in the writing and speaking sections. It demonstrates a sophisticated command of English and the ability to express complex ideas precisely. Remember, to adduce is to present evidence or arguments in a formal context. Practice using this word in your essays and discussions, and watch your language proficiency soar to new heights.